Stop stacking your data like a noob.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell
Instead,
no.
try this function. Go here and enter the VStack function. Select the first list using Control-Shift and down arrow, then hold Shift to leave space for adding data. Enter a comma and repeat the same for the second list, third list, and fourth list. Press Control-Enter, and now we have a full list. But as you can see, we have zeros for the missing cells. To fix that, go to the second part of the reference and add a dot. Press Enter, and now the zeros are gone. Don't add up your lookup values like this.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell
Instead,
no.
try this. Go here and type the sum function. Now enter XLOOKUP and pick your lookup value. Select the range containing the lookup values, then select the range with the values you want to sum. Confirm, and that's it. Now we're getting the total sum of every quarter for each person. My nerd coworker created this dynamic bar chart.
Oh my god.
Here's how he did that. Start a scribe to capture all the steps. Go here and type this formula. If the sales amount is greater than the target, it will return the same value. Now go to Insert and select Recommended Chart. Place it where you want, change the style, and adjust the text. Go to Change Chart Type and select a combo chart. Set the target series as a line and keep the other two as columns. Double-click on your series and change the colors. Then set the series overlap to 100% and adjust the gap width. Make the target line red and remove both the fill color and the border. And that's it. Once done, stop our scribe. So we can have a cool guide of the whole process that you can give to your team or boss. The best part? You can even turn it into a movie. Isn't that cool? Start sharing your knowledge too at scribehow.com. Stop summing data like a noob.
Oh my god.
Instead, try this shortcut. Select the range you want to sum. Just press Alt equal to sum everything. If you want to sum multiple ranges, hold the Control key while selecting. Then press Alt equal again. And that's it. Use Control semicolon. To add the date in the selected cells, press Control Enter. If you want to remove a range, just press Control minus. Want to convert these numbers into currency? Press Control Shift 4. To convert into percentages, use Control Shift 5. If you want to auto-sum a range, select it and press Alt equal. How many did you know? Summing numbers like a noob!
Oh my god.
Instead, do this. Go to the first cell of the range where you want to consolidate your data. Click Data, then click Consolidate. Leave Sum as the function. Now select your first list as the reference and click Add. Repeat the same for the second and third lists. You can also press Alt-A to add each one. Check these boxes, then confirm. And that's it. All your data is summed in seconds.